Hello, welcome back. I hope by the time you have an idea that in Google Ads you have to set the bid amount that you are ready to pay if someone will click on your ads. Obviously, setting the right amount of bid will increase the chances that your ad will be selected for showing purpose, and it will reduce the average cost of your click as well. Actually, there are many bidding strategies available in the Google Ads, and you have to select the best one for the better results. So it is very clear that if you don't have the knowledge of various bidding strategies in the Google Ads, then you are going to lose the battle of pay-per-click advertising. So let us see what are various types of bidding strategies available in the Google Ads so that you can select the best one. In Google Ads, we have more than 10 types of bidding strategies. Don't get afraid, we are going to discuss all of them. These are the types of strategies. Target ROAS, that means return on ad spend. Target CPA, cost per acquisition. Maximize conversions. Enhanced cost per click. Maximize clicks. Manual CPC bidding. Maximum CPV, target impression share bidding, target search page location, CPM bidding, and lastly, VCPM. Let us discuss them one by one. First, we have target ROAS, return on ad spend. This type of bidding strategy is used when you want a fixed rate of return on your ad spend. For example, if you want a return on ad spend 200%, it simply means that if you are spending 100 rupees on your ads, then these ads must generate the revenue of rupees 200. Now what will be the bid amount in this case? That will be automatically set by the Google. Next we have the target CPA, that is cost per acquisition. Here your focus is on conversions. You are ready to pay specific amount per conversion for your business. Conversions here means sales or any macro objective goal. Then we have maximize conversions. Here you set a budget amount and Google will help you in maximizing your conversions within the budgeted limit. Suppose you set a budget of Rs 10,000. Here Google will not spend more than 10,000 but try to maximize your conversions as many as possible. Enhanced cost per click. Enhanced cost per click is similar to the manual bids. However, Google may increase or decrease your bid amount to bring the quality traffic to your site. Suppose my manual maximum bid is 10. In case of EPC, it doesn't mean that your bid will always be under 10. Google can enhance your bid to make your ad eligible in the Google search results. All these 4 strategies discussed will help in increasing the conversions, leads, and sales. Now we have the maximum clicks. As the name suggests, this type of strategy will help you to earn the maximum clicks within the budget set by you. What will be the bid amount? That will be decided by the Google automatically. Manual bid. Here Google has no say in bidding strategy. The bidding amount is all set by the advertisers. Suppose if I am ready to pay Rs 10 for one click, this is the manual bid for me. Next we have maximum CPV, that is cost per view. This strategy is used for YouTube video ads. You set the amount, how much you are ready to pay for one view of your YouTube video ads. Then we have the target impression sharing bidding. In this type of strategy, clicks don't matter. You are charged on the basis of impressions of your advertisements. Then we have the target search page location. As the name suggests, here you target the particular location in a web page and you are charged on that basis. Then we have the CPM bidding, that means cost per 1000 impressions. This is a very basic strategy in display campaigns. You are charged on the basis of impression of your ads. Usually this strategy is used in the display campaigns. Then lastly we have VCPM bidding. That means cost per viewable 1000 impression. In this type of strategy, you are bidding for viewable impressions. How many actual views are there for your ad? You will be charged on that basis. So this was our discussion on various bidding strategies that you can use in Google Ads. At this point of time, things may not be very clear, but believe me, the moment you will start designing your own campaigns, then you can effectively select the best strategy out of the available ones. Thank you.